Okay, this is just kind of spontaneous, whatever's this word. Let me frick. Up under, whatever. I'm all about the lighting, and this is not good lighting. Okay, I am so tired of the lies. Okay, on Sundays I spend a lot of my time watching some YouTube videos and a couple of YouTubers that I like, and the thing is, like, these YouTubers are promoting things for your skin and for your body that are supposed to be safe and pure and organic and all this stuff like this. But on the back of those bottles that they always show, they say fragrances. Okay, this is what drives me up the walls, guys. Fragrances is hidden with a whole bunch of chemicals that you have no idea what you are putting on your body. So it blows my mind how people are like, I want to live this natural life. I want to live a natural life and all this stuff like this. So you're going to Whole Foods, you're going to Trader Joe's, which we don't have in Wichita, by the way, but we have in other places. And we're going to these Whole Food stores to get the organic cleaners, the organic stuff for your face, the organic food, all this stuff and everything like that. But you aren't actually truly have no idea what you are putting on your skin. And that's what that's what drives me up the walls. Like, I had to come on here and make this video because I was just watching all these YouTubers like promoting stuff and all this stuff like this because it's a deal that they're working with. And I'm like, girl, like that is not even natural. Whatever you're talking about, there's no way that is okay for your body. When a product reads fragrances, do you know how much chemicals you're actually putting on your body? Do you know actually how many chemicals you're putting on your body? No, because you can't know. There's absolutely no way you can find out because companies hide that stuff. Oh gosh, I'm getting way into it. But like, I'm just so irritated because this lighting is so bad. But companies hide that stuff from you because they don't want you to actually know what you are putting on your body or in your body. Okay? Like, like I was just getting irritated while I was watching all these videos because I was like, oh my god, like they think they're like promoting this amazing thing and this just, oh my gosh, hands down amazing, but in reality, like, they're not. Because when a bottle girl, breathe. When a bottle reads fragrances, okay, what is being added to what do you even know what you're putting on your body? No. And that's the thing, like, these companies, like, they sit here and they lie and they lie and they lie, and yet you trust these companies because it's what you've always known, because you see somebody that you really like or that you're watching. Wow, this lighting is really bad. Like, you see, like, oh my god, like, you see these companies, like, or someone that you're watching use it, and so you're like, okay, I have to have what she has, or everything like that. But guys, like, it doesn't matter what someone else has. Like, use the stuff that, if you're wanting to be organic and you're wanting to be natural, like, do your research. Like, I want to say, guys, go watch this documentary on Netflix. It's called Stink, and it talks about all the products that we use on a daily basis that is actually the cause of some health issues, a lot of our health issues, and a lot of breast cancer and all this stuff like that. And it actually talks about how our bodies are actually, from the day we are born, are filled with harsh chemicals that shouldn't be in our bodies. So, like, go watch that video because it literally will open your eyes to what you're actually putting on your body. Like, I'm not even saying this to, like, promote doTERRA, because right now, like, you do what you want. In the end, like, if you want something that's actually good for you, that's actually natural, then you will come to me and we can talk. But, like, the thing is, like, I cannot stand watching this anymore. Like, I'm gonna start crying. Like, I cannot stand, like when people sit here and lie about what is being put in their products, like, that's crazy to me. Like, I'm sorry, like, I care so much about, like, what I put on my body, and I'm just so thankful that I don't know why I'm crying, why I have, like, products that I can trust and know that what is being put on my body. And I don't know if anybody will watch this or if anything will hit you in the way that it has hit me, but to know what I'm actually, I don't know why I'm crying, like, calm down, it's not that serious, but to know what I'm actually putting on my body is amazing to me. And I've talked about it before, but like, doTERRA doesn't hide anything. Like, I can look up this bottle of lemon and know exactly what is the constituents, whatever they're called, that are supposed to naturally be in this bottle. And I can see the purity, and I can see the potency, and I can see the testing that the bottle went through to ensure that I'm getting the purest oil that is of this freaking earth. And the thing is, like, I'm so tired of seeing companies lie and lie and lie about what you're putting on your body. You think you're putting this natural product on your body, on your baby, on whatever, and in reality, you are not. So I don't know why I made a live about this, but I'm just so irritated. I'm tired of seeing stuff like that. Like, I'm so tired of it. Like, guys, there comes a time where you have to open your eyes and realize that that stuff that you trusted years ago is not what it says it is. Like, it's not. When you're watching a commercial and it says, oh, added essential oils, guys, there is no, okay, guys, I don't even know why I'm making this live, because I don't expect any of you guys to watch it. I don't expect you guys to agree with what I have to say. But the thing is, we are stuck in this old way of thinking, okay? We always have been. I've been talking about this like all week. For some reason, it's just been on my heart. But we have been stuck in this old way of thinking, this old way of, well, I've always used bleach to do this, so I'm just going to continue. Do you even know, like, guys, read the back of a bleach bottle, okay? That stuff is so horrible for you, but yet we still gravitate towards it, okay? Read okay, like, when you clean your clothes, okay, I've said this before when I teach classes, I say this all the time. If your product says, in case of an emergency called poison control, why are we putting that in our homes? Like, honestly, why are we still allowing that stuff to be in our homes? Like, Tide Pods were doing this one thing where they were making an extra, like, casing around the Tide Pods so kids couldn't get into it. Okay, if they're making an extra casing around Tide Pods and we're cleaning our clothes with it, our skin is the biggest organ on our body. What makes us think if they don't want kids to be in to not get a hold of Tide Pods because of the chemicals in it, then why are we washing our clothes with it? I don't know, I'm so passionate about this. But literally, why are we washing our clothes with it? We are getting this chemical, this thing on our skin, or it's soaking into our skin. I don't expect you guys to, I don't know. I just was watching YouTube videos today because I tend to do that on Sundays, and I'm just blown away with what is being promoted. Like, honestly. And if I have to struggle to tell you guys how great doTERRA is and how amazing their product is and how pure and how potent every product is in doTERRA, then I will. And I will, like, scream it from the rooftops because I cannot watch people continue to feel like they need to turn to the products they have always known when there's something so much better and pure and more potent and safer for you and your family. I can't continue, and the fact that this is hitting me so hard right now is an answer to a prayer I was just praying to God about. So I am like shaking. Oh my God. So anyway, I am doing, I want to do some, I don't know, just message me. We can talk about your wellness goals and what you are craving for to get away and get the toxins out of your home. Guys, I wash my clothes with doTERRA laundry detergent, and I just ran out of it, and I'm ordering a new one. It's coming in the mail. And I ordered doTERRA surface cleaner, and I literally order all my products from doTERRA because I know our standard of quality. I know exactly what I'm putting in my body, on my body, because of doTERRA's honesty and doTERRA's transparency. I'm not doing this because I don't even know. I'm just doing this because I'm literally tired of hearing the lies of like, oh, our product is the most pure and we can da 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 da. I'm tired of it. Like, if your product is the most pure, the most potent, then please show us some backup like doTERRA can. And so that's what I'm hopping off because I'm about to cry again. This is ridiculous. I'm tired of everybody being brainwashed by what we've always known and not being open to what we have now and to what we can prove and to what we can back up. So in the end, it's always your choice, but it just amazes me how people go straight for what they've always known. And they say they want to live this natural life and they want to heal their body and get rid of the toxins, but yet you're still buying your products from the Whole Food store. You're still buying secret deodorant. It doesn't matter if it's a Whole Food store. Guys, Whole Food stores have essential oils, but they're crap because when your oils are in a grocery store, they can't back up. I mean, they don't need a certain standard of quality. They can have like a little bit of the oil in, but then put fragrances, artificial fragrances in that smell just like it. So, whatever. I'm like, this is just an impromptu, however you say that word, live, and I don't care if you don't even care, if you're like, oh, there on it goes again, talking about doTERRA, well, good for you. I am trying to reach out to the people who are tired of the lies too. And if your eyes haven't been open to it, then that's fine. But I really, really would highly recommend you go watch the Netflix. It's called Stink. It's amazing. It really does open your eyes to what you use on a daily basis. Anyway, if you want to message me, we can talk a little bit about it. But I can tell you right now that I have never felt so proud to be sharing these doTERRA products. Where's my other stuff? Our deodorant. Let me show you. I didn't have the lid on it. That's all good. Deodorant. Our supplements. My supplements are coming in the mail. I have my face wash in the bathroom. Guys, and I get points every time I order. So I get my monthly order for free. I don't know, guys. I just wanted to come on here because I am literally tired of hearing about the lies. Because you want to know why? You want to know why people are lying to you? Then I'm going to be done. Because companies see what doTERRA is doing. All eyes are on doTERRA. So people are like, oh, our products are free, natural. But in reality, they're not. So I don't know. If you guys want to talk, if you guys watch this whole live, send me a message. I would love to get you started on actually getting rid of the toxins in your home and bringing natural and real and just amazing stuff for your body in your home. So if you see this whole live, whatever, rewatch it, please hit me up. I can send you a message. And we can talk on Messenger, but But yeah, so I'm gonna go, but that is all I wanted to say. So yeah. And Nick, you can just send me a message because I'm about to leave this live right now. Okay, bye.